If you don't remember the password of your Samsung phone, it's not a big deal. Still you can recover your phone by doing a factory reset, but just letting you know, by this process you will lose your all data. So let's start. What you have to do is, first you have to turn off your phone first. So this is the power on and off button, so just keep pressing it to turn off the phone. Power off, power off. And now what you have to do, you have to press three buttons together: power button, volume up button, not down, up button, and home button. Just press three together and you will go to manual mode. So here's the manual mode. Now we have to wait for the screen, and now you will see the fifth option from the top is wipe data factory reset. We have to choose that option. So what we have to do, so we have to press the volume down button to go to wipe data factory reset here. Now to accept this option we have to press this power button. Now I'm going to press this button, and now it's asking for the confirmation. Yes, delete all user data. So here's the option. Now I will accept again. And now it's asking for the confirmation again. Reboot system now, say yes. Now press the power button again. So guys, the reset is done, and now you have to set up your phone as new. Thanks guys. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.